What's up, party people? You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for a little guided journaling jam sesh. My name is Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, and if you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? So, real talk, I was supposed to release this episode yesterday. Monday has always been my podcast day, but you know what? Life is changing. Journal Party's evolving. And we've got these amazing new premium Zoom sessions on Mondays now, which were super fun and helpful, by the way. And honestly, it just makes more sense to shift the podcast release to Tuesdays. Pretty simple adjustment, right? But I gotta admit, I resisted it. I even felt a little bit guilty, a lot of bit guilty, actually. Like I was just, like breaking the rules. I hate breaking rules. It's something I gotta get over. But here's the thing. There are no rules, at least not for this. We make adjustments because life requires us to, and when we allow ourselves to flow with those changes instead of fighting them, everything works better. So today, we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help you embrace change and make necessary adjustments in your own life. So open up that journal, and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. Think of a recent change in your life, big or small. How did you initially feel about it, and how do you feel about it right now? Prompt number 2. Write about a time when resisting change made things harder for you. What did you learn from that experience? Prompt number 3. What's one area of your life where you feel stuck or rigid? How might a small adjustment create more ease or flow? Prompt number 4. Imagine your life a year from now. What shifts or adaptations might be necessary to support your growth? Prompt number 5. What's a small change you can make today that would align your life more closely with what you truly need? All right, party people, nice work. Adjustments aren't failures, they're strategy. And when we make changes, we're just responding to what's real instead of clinging to what was. So whatever shifts you need to make, big or small, give yourself permission to roll with them. You can always make additional adjustments later if needed. And if you want more support in your journaling practice, be sure to check out our Journal Party app. We've got guided journaling, mood and energy tracking, and an amazing community to help you stay connected. Also, would love it if you'd come hang out with me on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG. I love seeing your insights and your reflections. And don't forget, every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we do Journal Party Live. It's a free live stream where we journal through our newest prompts together and share insights as a community. You can tune into that on our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even directly in our app, and the links for all of those are in the show notes. And other than that, thank you so much for journaling with me today. Remember, adjustments are part of the process, so keep flowing and keep growing. And as always, party on.